I'm going to teach you on how to identify whether the function is increasing or decreasing. Okay, for example, y is equal to x cubed minus 3 half x squared. Okay, so first step is to get the derivative of the function. So the derivative is 3x squared minus 3 half times 2x. Okay, then simplify, magiging y prime 3x squared minus cancel, so magiging 3x. And then, equal natin, factor out natin yung 3x kasi merong 3x dito, may 3x din dyan. So, labas natin 3x, and then 3x squared divided by 3x is x. And then, negative 3x divided by 3x is negative 1. Next, let's equate it into 0. So, 3x equals 0, x will be 0, x minus 1 equals 0, x is 1. So, the critical values are 0 and 1. Okay, so next is, let's draw a graph here. Let's say this is 0 and this is 1. And of course, this is positive infinity at ito naman ay negative infinity. So, kapag yung value or f prime of x is greater than 0, the function is increasing. And if f prime of x is less than 0, the function is decreasing. Okay, so magsa-substitute tayo dito sa part na ito. So, this part is positive numbers. So, i-substitute natin dun sa derivative kung ano yung magiging result niya. Okay, so let's say positive 2. So, positive 2, 3 times 2 is 6 times 2 minus 1 is 1. So, 3, or if x is 2, y prime is 6. Therefore, ang function is increasing. Kasi positive or greater than 0. Next, let's try on this part. So, sa negative infinity, let's say negative 1. Okay, so substitute natin dito. So, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 times negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. So, negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. So, at x is negative 1, y prime is positive 6. So, it's still positive, therefore, the function here is increasing. How about on this part? So, 0 and 1. So, between 0 and 1, let's think of a number between 0 and 1. Let's say it's 1 half. Okay, so let's substitute 1 half here. So, 3 times 1 half is 3 half times negative 1 half. So, the answer is negative. Kasi positive times negative is negative. Therefore, the function here is decreasing. And then, paano natin siya i-conclude? So, conclude tayo. From negative infinity to 0, negative infinity to 0. And then from 1 to positive infinity, okay, let's write here union from 1 to positive infinity, the function is increasing. While dito naman between 0 and 1, the function is decreasing. So, ganun lang kadali mag-identify whether the function is decreasing or increasing.